Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.